Good morning, Scots. I'm your host, Carlos Rafael Iglesias.
I'm Donnie, and welcome to the final Scots Weekly of the school year.
First off, I want to give a huge shout out to all my seniors who are graduating tomorrow night.
If you're planning on attending the event at Mechanics Bank Arena, make sure you get a ticket to enter. And the ceremony begins at 6 p.m., so remember that no balloons or extra items are allowed into the arena.
Yeah, otherwise they're going to get popped. Not you, the balloons, because can't have them in there, of course. Now let's go to Steven with some information about the yearbook.
Hey Scots, if you bought a yearbook and haven't picked it up, you can pick it before or after school at room 3E.
Thank you, Steven.
Are you going to summer school?
If so, make sure you guys listen up to Kim Burley, because she has some information for you about summer school.
Hey Scots, here is the schedule for summer school. For semester 1, the dates are June 5th to June 23rd, and the time is from 7:30 to 12. Remember, there is no school on June 19th. For semester 2, the dates are June 26th to July 14th. The time is from 7:30 to 12, and remember, no school on July 4th. And if you're taking Apex in the afternoon, here are the dates and times as well. Remember, summer school is a privilege for everyone, so be ready to show up, be respectful, and get the work done from your teachers.
Thank you, Kim.
Are you an athlete, or are you planning on becoming an athlete? If so, make sure you guys find your coaches and speak with them, because they may be starting practices soon, or if they haven't already, like football.
Plus, if you need to talk to your counselors about anything, it'll be best if you email them this week, since it's going to be a busy week to them because of graduation.
You know them seniors, always graduating. That's it for today, Scots.
We'll see you guys next school year, or you might see some new faces joining Scots Weekly.
Yep, because we always got people wanting to join the club. But anyways, be sure to plat up.
And thank you for the support of all staff members and students for this school year.
Have a great day. I love you.